everyone. This is a short introduction to using Google Drive. Everyone that is a student at South Seattle College has a at southseattle.edu email account. I'll show you how to find that information, and then I will teach you a little bit about Google Drive. So if you go to our home page and you visit eLearning, there's information here about your email login. So I usually go ahead and click on this, and if you read this, it gives you all the information you need to get to your South Seattle email account through Google. So one way, once you understand this, when you are on any computer that has access to the internet, you can just do google.com, and you can choose mail, or you can do gmail.google.com. Oops, I gotta sign out. So if you do gmail.google.com, you won't see your accounts here until you add them, so what you'll end up with is a login screen. So you'll follow the login directions right from this website. So any way to get to Google Mail, gmail.google.com, you'll log in, and then, so I'm already logged in over here. You won't have too many emails because it will be a new account for you, or you've been using it for a while. So you'll want to go over to this icon over here. See how it says apps? Click on that and then choose Drive. This is, oops, I think because I signed out. Let me just real quick do this. So we're in Google Drive. This is cloud computing. Everything you save here stays on the web, and it doesn't have to be downloaded anywhere. And anywhere that has access to the internet, you can find it. I already have lots of great stuff in here, but yours might be blank. So you can go ahead and choose Create, and you can create a document. It's a lot like Word, a presentation, which is a lot like PowerPoint, a spreadsheet like Excel. You can even create forms if you're doing a survey, drawings, and some other stuff. So the things that are important for us, and oftentimes in classes, are documents and maybe presentations. So if we want to create a document, notice that it's ready. You want to make sure that you change the name to something that you will remember. So you'll change untitled document to something interesting like And if you notice, did you see up here where it said saving, and it says every change you make is automatically saved in Drive. So if you start things in Drive, you will not lose information. If the computer shut down right now, I could log back into gmail.google.com, use my login directions, and I would find practice template for South courses no matter what happens. So we'll just write something here. Saving again, everything is automatically there, and then you get to do some pretty cool stuff. When you go to share, you can change this access. It's automatically private, but I can change that, and I can make it public to every person in the world. I can make it for anyone who actually has the link I provide, make it for people that have an at southseattle.edu address, people at South Seattle that also have the link, so that gets a little bit more specific, and then specific people, if I choose that, then I can save and I can invite people with their email. But if I change this to anyone with the link and save, I can now give this link to you and you can come to this template. I can also choose what access anyone with the link has. I said that they can view, but you can also let them comment and edit. So if you're working on a group project, you probably want to do anyone with the link or specific people, and make sure you have their email, and then use can edit because you want everyone to be able to edit. So anyone with the link can now edit. I would give this link to my group members and we could work together This template then would change depending on who is signed in and who is writing, and then it will save automatically. Great way to do student work together as a group. And then when you want to share it with your teacher, maybe that would be me, then you would make sure that you go ahead and invite someone, and you know your instructor's email address, so you just invite your instructor and click done.